morning, children. Once again, I am before you with the chapter number 9, respiration in organism. Today, we will discuss about respiration and gaseous exchange in animals. Why do the people can take food? They can take food to get an energy, to grow, and to become healthy. So, we can discuss about respiration and gaseous exchange. We know that animals obtain energy from food they eat. Before the energy can be used by the cells of the body, it must be released from food by respiration. So, some animals which do not have lungs for breathing are earthworm, ants, cockroach, grasshopper, etc. Then how can they breathe? They breathe through different organs. We can talk about first earthworm. Earthworm do not have specialized organs for breathing. They absorb oxygen in their blood from the air through their moist skin. The oxygen gas absorbed by a skin diffuses into the cells. Next, we can talk about insect. What happens in the insect? Cockroach and other insects have a respiratory system consists of a network of branched air tubes that we call trachea. These air tubes have openings called aspiracles on the body surface. The aspiracles open and close to allow the gases to move in and out. The exchange of respiratory gases occurs between the cells and the trachea. Now we can talk about the fish. Fish absorbs dissolved oxygen from the water by means of gills. Gills are made up of a large number of capillaries containing blood vessels. These blood vessels absorb dissolved oxygen present in water and carry it to the tissues. The blood vessels also bring back carbon dioxide from the cells of the gills. Gills can pass this carbon dioxide into the surrounding water. Now we can talk about frogs. Frogs breathe through lungs when on land surface and through gills when it is in water. Now we can also discuss about the respiration in plant, how it occurs in the respiration in plant. Just like animals, respiration in plants also involves the exchange of gases. In plants, each part can independently take in oxygen from air, utilize it to obtain energy and give out carbon dioxide. In leaves, what happens? The leaves have tiny pores. What do we call them? Stomata. The exchange of gases in leaves occurs through these tiny pores. In stems, young stems have stomata as in leaves, whereas in old woody stems, lenticel develop below the bark for gaseous exchange. In roots, root hair extend into air spaces present between the soil particles and take up oxygen from there. We can discuss about some of the questions based upon this video number 16. Now just go through it. Assignment questions of video number 16. You will go through the fill in the blanks. Number 1. The roots of a plant take up oxygen from the dash trapped between the dash particles. Question number 2. Exchange of gases in the leaves take place with the help of dash. Question number 3. Cockroaches breathe with the help of air tubes called dash. And question number 4. Fish breathe through their dash. And question number 5. Frog breathe through dash when on land and through dash when in water. So students, do watch the video carefully and do the questions based upon it and stay home and stay safe. Thank you.